In this episode of the Tech Review series, a 2025 ultra-compact Nano PC is tested with a foldable keyboard. The Nano PC features a quad-core ARM processor, 16 GB RAM, 512 GB NVMe, Wi-Fi 7, and passive cooling. Experts praise efficiency and silence, but note limited GPU power and a premium price. Users praise portability and quick setup, yet miss full ports and occasional multitasking lag. This bundle suits students and remote workers seeking a tiny, capable desk untethered from a large footprint.